Let's go.
Hi guys, to this video I will show you on how you can access your sound recorder on your laptop. So this is a free sound recorder that is installed on your laptop. So all you have to do is go to Start here, Start button, and go to um, All Programs. Click All Programs and go to Accessories. Here you can see here the folder accessories and click that, and here you can see the programs that is installed on this. So here you can click this sound recorder. So once you click that this sound recorder, it will show you this. So this will pop ups on your screen, and you can click on this bottom here to start recording. In this in my case, I already done this, and I already started recording this session here. So you can see that. So that's it. That's how easy you can access your sound recorder.